Alright guys, this carving is a tractor. It's a Case 170. It's for a memorial piece, so enjoy this, and a little hint, we got some other stuff coming up soon, so thanks for watching.
Look at all my chainsaw.
Alright, new carving starting today. This is going to be a Case 170 tractor. So I kind of have it laid out just to sketch it up so I'm kind of accurate with it. See, this thing's pretty big. It's probably, maybe not quite 3 feet tall, 2.5 feet tall, 3 feet long, a little over 2 feet wide. It's got a little bit of issue here, but I'll fix that. So give it a shot and see how it goes. Start whittling away. Alright, so I added the loader part of it. I just cut that out of some 1x pine, carved it with my chainsaw. I got lift cylinders, the bars, beams. This is going to have some bale spears. I've got a little bit of crack to fill here, some fresh wood. That was a little bit of ant damage or rot. I'm pretty much all detailed out. I got the back here. Got to put a piece there. Other than that, I'm probably going to maybe put it on a bigger base, bigger pedestal, get it up a little bit, because this is a pretty important piece, so stay tuned. Okay, I got the bale spears mounted on the front, bale spears on the back. I got the cracks filled in. Work on the base. I want to get that fit to like a log that I can, put it up on a pedestal. So hopefully I can get something that fits that. But more to come. All right, I got this tractor rough painted. Just kind of like blocking it out with a first saw. This is rough painted. I'll get the airbrush out and start painting it, detailing it out here in a bit. I want to let this kind of cure a little bit, so I'll probably video that part of it. This was just rattle can, 2 different rattle cans, maybe 3 actually. Painted this nutmeg, satin nutmeg, apple red and black. You can see I've got some overspray, a bunch of overspray, but that's okay. So I'll get the airbrush out, clean everything up, add some details, make this cab look like glass. Go from there, and then I've made a base for it to set on. I don't know if I'm just going to oil that so they have a base for it, just a set of base in the yards thing. So I just kind of textured it with my auger. You can see the texture there pretty good. So, or if I'm gonna nutmeg it and make it look like that. So I probably, I don't know yet, not sure. But then over here, I'm starting a little owl. So that'll be the next video. All right, here's the tractor all finished up. It's pretty good size. I don't know if you can see my hand there. So this is actually going to be sitting on top of this base, so it'll be a pretty good piece. It's a memorial piece for a woman, so for her fiance. So it's his favorite tractor. So thanks for watching. Got a lot more coming, so stay tuned.